Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create slides using Google Slides. So first of all, you can go here and click on these dots, scroll down. So from the Google products you can go here and click on the slides. So now you can start from here, blank presentation. Also you can use pre-built templates. So for example, let me go here and click one of the template. So these are all the slides that you can access. If you want to change anything in slides, you can go here and click on the text. So you can type anything that you want, and after that here you can add name and date. Then you can remove and add any of the image. You can also add the new slide from here, and after that you can edit any of the slides. So you can remove existing text and add your own text. And also if you want to remove any of the slide, then you can go and right click, then here you can see delete button. So slide is deleted. After that, if you want to add anything more, then on the top here you can see different options. You can download this presentation in different formats. So for example, if you want to download it in PPT format, then you can go here. So presentation is downloading in PowerPoint format. You can also share your presentation directly using link, and you can manage the access. So you can allow anyone with the link. After that, click here the button done.